Today, we're diving into the world of PC cooling, specifically looking at the best AIO or all-in-one CPU coolers of 2024. For those who don't know, AIO coolers are liquid cooling systems that are pre-assembled and easier to install than traditional custom loop setups. They're perfect for gamers, overclockers, or anyone who wants to keep their PC cool and quiet. Remember, choosing the right AIO cooler depends on your specific needs. Consider your case size, CPU TDP, thermal design power, and noise tolerance. Make sure the cooler is compatible with your motherboard socket as well. So let's jump into the top 5 contenders. Number 5. Alphacool the Eisbaer Pro Aurora 360 CPU. The Alphacool is an all-in-one AIO liquid CPU cooler that is designed for high-performance cooling with AMD and Intel processors. It features a 360mm copper radiator, 120mm Alphacool Eclipse PWM fans, and a DC-to-T pump. The cooler is also equipped with addressable RGB LEDs that can be controlled using a compatible motherboard or RGB controller. Key features: 360mm copper radiator for maximum cooling performance. 120mm Alphacool Eclipse PWM fans for quiet and efficient airflow. DC-to-T pump for reliable and low noise operation. Addressable RGB LEDs for customizable lighting effects. Compatible with AMD AM4, AM5, SP3, SP6, STERO4, STERO-X8, TDR4, Intel LGA 1700, LGA 2011, LGA 2011-3, LGA 2066, LGA 3647, LGA 4189. Optional. Number 4. Deepcool Liquid Cooler LT720 360mm White Edition. The Deepcool Liquid Cooler LT720 360mm White Edition appears to be a high-end all-in-one AIO liquid CPU cooler designed for excellent cooling performance and aesthetics, especially for those who prefer a white color scheme for their PC build. Here's a breakdown of its key features based on the information available online. Specifications: radiator size 360mm. This is a large radiator size suitable for high-performance CPUs. Pump type: 4th gen dual chamber pump. This design promises improved efficiency and reliability. Lighting: multidimensional infinity mirror RGB block. This translates to a visually appealing infinity mirror block with addressable RGB LEDs for customization. Compatibility: LGA 1700/1200/115X for Intel and AM4/AM5 for AMD processors. Covers a wide range of recent and current CPUs. Anti-leak technology. Provides peace of mind in terms of potential leaks, cool and color. Number 3. Architect Liquid Freezer A280 A-RGB. Architect multi-compatible all-in-one CPU AIO water cooler with A-RGB. Efficient PWM control pump. Fan speed: 200-1900 LGA 1700 compatible. Black. Good cooling performance. The 280mm radiator is suitable for most mid-range to high-end CPUs. Quiet operation. The PWM control pump helps minimize noise levels. Aesthetics: RGB lighting adds a customizable visual element to your PC. Compatibility: works with latest Intel LGA 1700 processors with AM4 compatibility available. Additional purchase required. The Architect Liquid Freezer T280 A-RGB is a solid AIO cooler option for mid-range to high-end CPU builds, particularly if you value aesthetics with RGB lighting and quiet operation. Number 2. Corsair icue 170 ITE LCD XT Liquid CPU Cooler. Corsair icue 170 ITE LCD XT Liquid CPU Cooler. IPS LCD screen. 3AF 140 RGB ELITE fans. 420mm radiator fits Intel LGA 1700 AMD or AM5 and more included icue ECOM and DERXURE. Black. Exceptional cooling performance. The massive 420mm radiator is ideal for overclocked CPUs or high-performance systems. Customization. The IPS LCD screen allows you to display information, logos, or even GIFs, adding a unique touch to your build. Aesthetics. The RGB fans and potentially the pump block itself offer customizable lighting to match your system's theme. Compatibility. Supports a wide range of latest and current Intel and AMD processors. Number 1. MSI MEG icue IDS 360 AIO CPU liquid cooler. The MSI MEG icue IDS 360 AIO CPU liquid cooler appears to be a high-performance, all-in-one AIO liquid CPU cooler designed for efficient cooling, quiet operation, and customization. Here's a breakdown of its key features. Radiator size, 360mm, suitable for most high-end CPUs and overclocking pumped, 7th Gen Eisbaer pump. Eisbaer is a reputable manufacturer known for reliable and efficient pumps. Fans, 3x Silent Gale P12 fans. These fans are designed for airflow while maintaining low noise levels. Tubing. Evaporation-proof tubing reduces the risk of leaks. Software. NSI Center allows for customization of fan speeds, display, and potentially RGB lighting, if applicable. Remember, these are just some recommendations to get you started. It's always wise to consult reviews and benchmark results for specific AIO coolers you're considering. Thanks for watching.